South Florida, just outside of Naples, hunting with Full Rut Outfitters. Orlando couldn't be with us this morning, so me and Amos got it by ourselves. They put us out here. We've heard 3 or 4 birds gobble so far. Y'all just stick with us, it ought to be good.
Those are some pretty boots. It's 6:35. There they are. There's a hen. Get ready, she's coming out. You see her? She's coming from your left. You fix to see her. You see her? Oh, she don't bust us. Man, Mark. It's right now close behind her. You need to bump her out of here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he's morning. That's what I'm talking about right there, man.
Give me some right here, boy.
Yes, son. First Osceola, first morning. We ain't been here 30 minutes, baby. Full rut outfitters. Yes!
Thank you, Lord. That happened pretty quick, didn't it?
That happened quick, man. They said they came in here last week, had 4 or 5 birds here, ended up killing 1. Brought us back here this morning. Me and Amos sat here. Right at daylight, we heard 1 gobble. There's 3 or 4 more back there. And it happened quick, man. Whew. I don't know what to say. Here comes the guides. We ain't been here, what, 30 minutes? They knew what they were talking about, I can tell you that. Grandma said, you ain't got one, you better get one. Bugs was eating me up today. All right. Man. Congratulations. I mean, congratulations. You're supposed to be telling me that. I'm going to say you thank you. Woo! Come on, boy. That jugger come in. We had a hen. She came in.
Hey, little man.
Say hi. One good one.
See a turkey? Go up there and look at it right there.
We had a hen come up. I mean, she came right up to the decoy. I thought we were going to get busted. And she fed on off.
9.5. Good bird. We could hear him gobbling.
Could you?
Oh yeah, I told Ricky.
Pick him up, boy.
I says, is that where they're at? He goes, sounds like it's exactly where they're at.
There was 2 more gobbling.
2 more gobble. Where did they gobble at? Back
Right
here?
over there.
A little bit
2 more
deeper.
gobbling there.
Oh, you did hear 2 more? We only heard 1 bird gobble.
2 more. He came out by
They were a little bit
himself,
deeper in there.
all the way down at that corner.
Right?
We only heard the other
And
2.
then one hen, she
Once,
came
maybe
running
twice.
out. She
He
ran
gobbled
straight
most.
to the decoy.
I would
Got it all.
do a little bit of limb yelping to him.
And then 2 more came out. After he took off running, 2 more came out from behind him. And they came on in. Said, good morning. He
Did he
popped that
blow
head
up?
Oh, yeah. He gobbled 3 times right there in front of us.
So you got
20 yards.
everything.
Oh,
Good
yeah. It don't get no better than that.
deal. We killed a 19.8 earlier this week.
Really?
Yep, for down here, that's big.
Yeah.
That's real big. Well, good deal. Told Ricky, I love it when a plane comes together.
Yeah, I do too.